To inspect the screen frame assembly, make sure that the unit is powered off. You will access the unit by removing these knobs. You'll lift the screen frame door up. Engage this latch to ensure that the door cannot fall. You have full visibility of the screen frame here. Make sure there's no tears. Everything's in good operating condition. To close the door, do the same process in reverse. Disengage the latch. Carefully lower the door, and we will re-engage the clamps. The unit is equipped with limit switches, which is located here. You'll hear a positive click to ensure that the switch is engaged, which will allow the unit to be started back up.